Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in a Dodge Durango. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. You will need a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin any work. Now let's get to the old battery. In a Dodge Durango, you'll find it conveniently located under the passenger seat. Using your 10 mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp to free the old battery. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and terminals with your wire brush and cleaner. Now, carefully position the new battery securely in its tray. Remember to connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring a tight fit for both. You're almost done. Take a moment to double-check that all your connections are secure and tight. Then, start your Dodge Durango to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. For an easier way to keep your car's interior clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.